The purpose of a budget is to create a spending plan for your funds. Before you actually create your budget, you need to know your organization and your events. For example, how much do you usually collect in dues, or what do your dues usually cover? Also, estimate how much each planned event may cost per semester and try to stick to the budget all year, but adjust where needed. In this video, I will walk you through two types of budget templates that may be beneficial for your organization. The first template divides income and expenses. Income can be things that are dues, fundraising, and donations, which essentially create and add money for your org to use. Expenses are things that your org spends money on. For example, operational costs, program and entertainment expenses, and professional development. So within this budget, a t-shirt sale can be your income. So in order to use this template, insert the item that is creating the income or revenue, so t-shirt sales. Next, you want to insert the date, so we'll put today's date. And then just a brief description so you can remember what that money was specifically used on or earned from. So this could be for members. If you would like to, you can estimate the amount that you think you will gain from that specific income or revenue that you are entering in. So if you think that you would get $250 from this item, you can put that in your estimated. And then the actual, for example, can be $300. And as you continue to enter and add other things and streams of income, it will add up to right here. And for this example, your total will be $1,297. This can also be entered in by entering equal sign, sum, and just clicking the first one and dragging it down to whatever amounts you have. This same principle can also be used for your expenses, and you have your total right here as well by doing an equal sign and sum. In order to see how much net income you have, which is the difference between what you earned and what you spent, you can go right here to find your net income, equal sign, and you can do this, which is your total income, minus your total expenses, and you have your total net income. The second budget template is not divided by income and expenses. Instead, this budget shows your running balance. A running balance calculates the transactions already made and gives you the total amount of money you have either received or expensed. As you enter each revenue or expense, your balance will update based on what you entered. For example, we can use today's dates again. And let's say this event was a virtual kickback. And once again, we can do our brief description. So it could be an NFL watch party or something, whatever you were thinking that event could be. And your organization earned $69 from this event. That $69 has now been added to your running balance, and it shows you where you are at this point in your finances. Likewise, the same thing can be done with an expense. So if we spent $69 on this event, we would need to enter in our parentheses, which means we are deducting this money from our running balance. And now that money has been taken out of our running balance, and it shows where we are and how much money we have left to spend, or how much money we have left in our account for the remainder of the school year.